Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to use the GLAM AI app in 2025, the best app for AI selfies and virtual makeup transformations. First, download and install the GLAM AI app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account using your email or social login. Once logged in, you'll see the main camera interface. To take a selfie, tap the camera icon and position your face in the frame. GLAM AI uses advanced AI to detect your facial features accurately, so make sure your face is well lit and centered. Next, explore the makeup options. You can choose from different styles like natural, glam, or bold. Adjust foundation, lipstick, eyeshadow, and more using the sliders for a realistic look. You can also try virtual accessories like glasses or hats. After customizing your look, tap the preview button to see the final result. GLAM AI allows you to compare before and after images and make further adjustments if needed. Once satisfied, save your selfie to your gallery or share it directly to social media from the app. You can also create a gallery in GLAM AI to save multiple transformations and experiment with different styles over time. By following these steps, you can easily use the GLAM AI app in 2025 to create stunning AI selfies and explore new makeup looks. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite GLAM AI transformations in the comments. Thanks for watching.